Planning a move from Florida to San Marino? This is not a simple state-to-state move. It is an international relocation. So the process usually involves packing, export handling, ocean freight, customs clearance, and final delivery. Because San Marino is in Europe, moving from Florida means your belongings may travel by truck, ship, and then by ground transport again after customs. That is why planning ahead matters. The final cost can depend on the size of your shipment, container type, packing level, customs paperwork, storage needs, and final delivery access. A small shipment may need less space, while a larger home may require more coordination. For international moves, packing is not just about boxes. Movers may need a detailed inventory, proper labeling, protective wrapping, and sometimes special crating for fragile or valuable items. Customs is one of the biggest differences between a domestic move and an international move. Documents, declared values, restricted items, and inspection requirements can all affect how smoothly the shipment moves through the process. International delivery usually takes longer than a local or interstate move. Ocean freight schedules, port handling, customs processing, weather, and final delivery coordination can all affect the timeline. Final delivery in San Marino may involve narrow streets, limited loading areas, stairs, or shuttle service depending on the address. These details should be discussed early so the moving plan is realistic. To help manage costs, declutter before packing, compare written estimates, ask what is included, pack simple, non-fragile items yourself if allowed, and stay flexible with your moving dates when possible. So what should you know before moving from Florida to San Marino? Plan early. Understand the international paperwork. Review container and packing options. And choose movers familiar with overseas relocations. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on Florida to San Marino movers and moving costs.